Coming to Students Mentor channel, today we are going to study what is the class with an example belongs to object-oriented programming. The class is one of the concept of object-oriented programming. What is a class? A class is like a blueprint for an object. A class is a user-defined data type. Here, and also, the class consists of two things. One is data members and member functions. These data members and member functions can be accessed and used by creating an instance of that class. Here, one more thing is that what is the class represents? Class represents a set of properties or methods that are common to all objects of one type. It may seem we may understand, but we can't write while writing the examination. So we can understand better through an example of a class. Suppose here, consider the example, we are considering an example of a car. Here, the class of car is related to class. This car consists of, or cars are having many names and brands, but all of them will share some common properties like mechanical efficiency or fuel consumption, or what is the mileage, what is the speed limit, what are four wheels, the type of wheels, what is the properties of the wheels, etc. If we consider, there are two things are there. One is the car, another part is the properties of cars. Now car is the class, and wheels, speed limits, mechanical efficiency, fuel consumption, mileage, etc. all comes under the categories of properties. I hope you understood what is the class. Okay? If we consider another example, two-wheeler, if we consider it, the two-wheeler is called as a bike. If we consider the two-wheeler, that is the bike comes under name of the class. But the properties of the bike, what are they? What are the properties are? Again, fuel consumption. We call it as fuel consumption or mileage, and mileage. Next, what about wheels? Details about wheels. And is this bike comes under two-stroke engine, or bike comes under the four-stroke engine, what type of piston it is having, etc. comes under the properties. If we consider the name of the class is the birds category, the bird is the class. If you consider it, the birds are having certain properties. Like that, we can understand or we can interpret more and more about the examples of class. Thank you for watching.